Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you the technique. We need to use about integration by substitution. So we put about u equals to this one. Du you got about the x over x plus 2 ln number 2. So in this situation we put ln number 2 on the left. Next we need to change the boundary. If s equals to number 1, so you should be about log base of number 2 of number 3. If s equals to number 4, so you should be about log base of number 2 of number 6. So number 1 we change for this one. Number 4 we change for this one. This one we change for u. The s over s plus 2 we change for ln number 2 du. So this one you got about ln number 2 to the power of 2, and this is about du. And now we got the final answer. And we put the boundary in here. This one go in here to the power of 2 over 2 minus ln number 2 square multiply with this one to the power of 2 over 2. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.